Hello guys, today we're going to unbox a classic Star Wars figure that's been in vintage for years. Heck, maybe even 20 years. More than 20 years since Attack of the Clones was released in theaters in the year 2002. And this is a Super Battle Droid from Star Wars Attack of the Clones. Now, let's read the instructions. 10 years after the fight to save Naboo from invasion, the galaxy is on the brink of civil war under the leadership of a renegade Jedi. Thousands of solar systems threaten to succeed from the Galactic Republic. The courageous Jedi Knight, his attentive, headstrong apprentice, and a queen-turned-senator are drawn into the heart of the conflict and the beginning of war. Super Battle Droid 2 to 6. Deadly and effective fighters, these enhanced battle droids are programmed with the capacity for independent fighting. They make a formidable threat to opposing armies with their hulking frame and built-in firepower. Yeah, if you see this action figure right here, shows the instructions. Press trigger on droid's back, head, body, and arms pop off. Insert energy bolt into damaged panel. When reassembling droid, attach super arm, load projectiles into arm, and press button to fire. Man. And there you see Fisto and 3PO, or a droid on the back, as other toys to look for within this wave of Star Wars action figures. Now to unbox this thing. After 22 years of remaining in vintage. Man, it's kind of, wow. Man, oh man, it seems quite, oh, this looks, now, these things are, mainly it's because you take them out in battle that these things are meant to pop apart. Hang on, I'll be right back. I need to take a look. Hang on, I better pause this. Okay, let's try this again. Two different chest plates. One that is battle damaged and the other is solid new. Okay. So here we put the blaster in. Wow. Man, I can see how head sensitive. Wow. I'd be careful about the head. Well, I'd still be careful. Oh, there it is. That's the back. That must be the rear where it comes apart. There. Wow. That switch. Man, that switch is something. All right. Well, you better be careful not to, if you're ever going to move such a figure, be careful where you move it, because right below here is where the switch that breaks the droid apart lies. Well, man, oh man, it's so thin. Hulking droid. Well, that's my review. Be sure to subscribe to my channel at Avengers Rising. And hit the like and subscribe button too, if you're new.